WhatsApp, one of the most popular messaging apps out there and arguably one of the best, second to iMessage. And it kills your iPhone storage if you don't pay attention and if you don't set it up right. Jumping into your settings, general, then iPhone storage of course, and here you go, WhatsApp. Here it is, sucking about 66 gigs of storage on my phone. That's a lot of storage that I could use for better things. That is for damn sure. Jumping straight into the WhatsApp app itself, you can see documents and data straight up is taking up most of the data. Now what you want to do, jump straight out and go straight into your WhatsApp. Unlock it of course. And where you want to check first is chats here, your backup storage. Because something of note, the storage that the iPhone itself shows is a combination of your chat history, your chat backup, and the media that is stored within the app itself. Now your chat backup, you come in here, it's right here, the third option. You can select auto backup, you can change it from weekly, monthly, or daily, or just turn it off completely. I tend to keep mine on daily, just in case anything happens, the phone goes down, someone steals it from you and I'm not able to beat him up and take it back. It's over, give up. But if you want to maximize storage, you turn that off and you can manually back up if you decide to switch devices or whenever you need to at any point in time. So that's one way of saving storage. That could save me personally about 12 gigs right off the bat, because that's about approximately what mine has. Yeah, there it is, about 13 gigabytes right there on the phone. Next, you back out of that and you want to go down to storage and data. That's where everything really is. And before you go any further yet again, you stay out here and look at media quality and media auto download. That's what you want to set up. This is very important. Now for upload quality and auto download quality, I set mine to standard. That's pretty much the defunct lower quality. That's good enough for me. I'm just sharing stuff here. I'm not doing high production YouTube videos or anything for social media. You also have the option of HD quality if you want picture pixel perfect quality as well. That eats out through your storage as well and eats your data if you're sending them on the go using your phone plan. And of course, down here you have media auto download. Now here you have full control if you want to use Wi-Fi or cellular, or just completely block it from downloading, whether it's pictures, videos, documents, or your audio messages, whether it's voice recordings or music or any audio message, that audio files that are shared with you. Now right here I have mine set to Wi-Fi and cellular for photos because that doesn't use much storage. Audio, that uses next to nothing. Those are mostly kilobytes at a time, so I leave that on maximum Wi-Fi and cellular. It doesn't matter to me. And video, I have that strictly on Wi-Fi. Anything else, it does not download, or I have to manually do it myself. And documents, which that's the smallest of the bunch, that don't really matter. So Wi-Fi and cellular for me. However, you still have to do some cleanup peeps, and that's where you come to the very top and go into manage storage. And this is where everything is. This is where it all goes down. Up top you have larger than 5 megabytes. That's where you have the bulk of your stuff. You can see a lot of stuff repeat, so you have a lot of things that are backed up, and after you share them they repeat a lot. I'm not going to scroll through. You might see some stuff here which is not fit for YouTube, and the stuff that are forwarded many times as well, that has a lot of duplicates because for some reason it backs up pictures and videos and whatever other files that you forward to different chats and different people and different groups. All of those duplicated files and all that gunk is right in there. And going down even further, of course I have the chats all blurred out, but here to the right hand side you can actually see all the gigabytes that are taken up by each individual chat, and that's very useful because you can actually go in on a granular level and manually delete files from each individual chat. So they give you total control, which is great, but you have to do it yourself, peeps. If you don't want to actually delete your files, if they're precious stuff that you want to save, things from your partner, that private stuff that they may send you at work just to keep things a bit spicy in the relationship, you want to keep those, you can manually back them up actually using these external storage devices. I have several videos on these. I'll link it in the description below, of course. This is your run-of-the-mill flash drive. This is your SD card. You have SSDs. These work as well, whether it's a 2.5 inch or the NVMe drives. And the old trusty mechanical hard drives work as well. They all work. That's the good thing about this, the flexibility. You could back up all of your documents, your media, your music, your voice notes, your pictures, your videos, whatever. You can manually back them up. And if you want to be truly wireless and even replace iCloud at that, here I have my wireless home network for both my PC and my Mac. Full flexibility where I can wirelessly back up all of my stuff from my iPhone to my own storage at home that's not owned by Apple. Anytime, anywhere in the world. It can be done automatically or manually. You want to check this out, I'll leave a link to that as well. So that's it, peeps. Thanks for tuning in. You don't know, I'll appreciate a like, subscribe, and of course hitting that little notification bell. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out and take care.